So if you uploaded bunch of photos and videos in your Facebook profile and now you want to hide or make your all photos and videos in your Facebook, this tutorial River will show you how to make all photos private on Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook and tap on profile menu at the bottom right and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down here, tap on profile and tagging. Who can post on your profile? Select only me. Who can see what others post on your profile? Also here select only me. Who can see post that you are tagged in on your profile? Select only me, and all you have to need, select all of these options, me, and review tags that friends add to your post before that tags appear on Facebook. Make sure to enable this option. So make sure to enable these two options. Once you change these settings to only me, your all Facebook photos and videos will be private. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.